Welcome to the September IPSY box unboxing. I literally got ready and then ate, so let's pretend that I look okay. Okay, first up in here, we have a cute little makeup bag. I love that. That's so cute. That's probably one of my favorite parts about IPSY is getting the cutest little bags because you can use them for more than makeup. First, we got Toy Factory Doll Paint Brown Gel Eyeliner. Beautiful lip gloss. This one's in the shade Twilight. Yummy lip gloss. This is in the shade Besties. Very pretty. Origins Energizing Gel Cream with Caffeine. Okay, and finally in there, this is the Lumiere High Performance Hair Care Prep and Protect Spray. Okay, now it's time for the box. Okay, we got a green tea mask, a soothing lotion treatment, Mega Mushroom Relief and Resilience. There's the dog. An eyeshadow palette. Let me open this up so I can show you. Okay, phase zero. Cute, look at her. We got a liquid lipstick in the shade Iconic from Defiance Beauty. Oh, that's super pretty. Last but not least, we got a Tarte Double Duty mascara. I am thinking about doing a big giveaway with a bunch of makeup stuff because I have a box full of stuff that hasn't been touched. So if you guys are interested in me doing a giveaway, let me know. I'm planning on emailing a couple companies and see if anybody wants to send anything in, and we'll just do a huge giveaway. Maybe 1 or 2 people can win it. Let me know. But yeah, that was the IPSY unboxing.